Hi, my name is Poonam Pani. I'm 22 years old and I've joined this class since October, and I rate this class 5 on 5 because, and I would ask everyone to join it because it is very good, attention to detail, personal touch, and we're like a family, and I really look forward to it every week. So it's one of the best highlights of the week for me. Everyone should join it and enjoy dancing.
Hi, I'm Disha Agarwal. I'm 17 years old. I'm coming to the class since 2 months, and I rate this class as 5. I'll definitely recommend this class to a friend because we just don't dance over here. Along with dance, we do lots of fun, yoga and all sorts of things.
Hey friends, hi. My name is Shiraz Irani. I am 26 years old and I am the owner and the principal teacher at Shiraz Fusion Belly Dance Academy. It was a dream which I planted in the year 2004. And the way I take my classes over here is that I want to give my students the knowledge of belly dancing as a classical dance form, and not forgetting that belly dancing originates from India, because the gypsies from India migrated to the river Nile and there the dance form grew. So my idea is to create this dance form as a dance form for the women, by the women and of the women. That's my entire ideology of belly dancing at Shiraz Fusion Belly Dance Academy. What you will find at Shiraz Fusion Belly Dance Academy is that we are more of like a family, and other than that, what you will find here is that we want to help each other. It is that we follow the principle of dancers growing dancers, and it's about creating a revolutionary belly dancer. And most importantly, we have students over here belonging to all age groups, right from the age of 4 to the age of 65. And what you will find here is that they all attend classes at the same time. We have different levels. So even if you are a dancer or if you're just a beginner, you're an advanced dancer, we have something for you to give over here. Shiraz Fusion Belly Dance Academy got inaugurated in the year 2008. I began my journey with belly dancing in the year 2006 when I got introduced to the reality show on Sony Entertainment channel known as Boogie Woogie, and that's where I got the kickstart. I started off with Bollywood belly dancing, and then there was no end to it. And with a deep study, detailed study of 2 years, I came up with a syllabus which I call as the Soul Goddess Belly Dance syllabus, in where each student is given an opportunity to portray their talent after each level. We have an examiner who's invited and we conduct exams. We certify the student for that particular level. We give them a grade sheet, and also at the same time we give them opportunities to go national as well as international. I'd like to share this achievement with you all. In the year 2012, Shiraz Fusion Belly Dance Academy's 3 students were known as the youngest belly dancers in India who were portrayed on Indian national television. Then that soon we will be having a young little talent, a young belly dancer who's just 9 years old, who will be portraying her talent on India's Got Talent Season 5. That we want to give our Indian roots to you in the way and by the form of belly dancing. We always keep in mind that we have our Indian roots along with a beautiful dance form, that's belly dancing.